All right, welcome to the channel. I'm Viper. Today, I just want to kick it with you guys about what's going on with Meta. The shutdowns, the closing of apps and studios and everything to get a different take of what everybody else is saying. A lot of people out there, creators and stuff, kind of like what's going on. The side that I want to tell you guys about is the side that I don't think they're really talking about. For about 3 years now, I've been part of a group that was in Horizon Workrooms. We've been kicking it in there for 3 years as a people that meet from all around the world. We all meet in there every Friday. Some people was Thursday and Friday, but it was every Friday. We kick it in there. You meet a lot of people. And when I say from all around the world, I mean from everywhere. And you build a community. A lot of people did not use Horizon Workrooms, but it's a lot of people that did. It was people that had women groups that had their stuff in there. It was a lot of people utilizing that. So when they shut that down, they shut down communities. Meta don't see that. They don't see the people side. And people that don't use it, that all they care about is gaming, they don't see that. But it's communities that's getting shut down because of it. People saying, yeah, you can go to VR chat. A lot of people don't like VR chat. It's not as easy as just clicking a button and going to Workrooms. You have to sign in, you got to find a person, then people can change the way they look. A lot of older people do not like VR chat that way. I ain't got no problem with VR chat, but a lot of people don't want to go over there. Horizon Workrooms was that place for us and a lot of people. Now we did find a new location. We're using Fluid now. It was a change. Now Meta is shutting down Horizon Worlds. Now I don't go in Horizon Worlds a lot, but I was accustomed to going in there sometimes to watch some concerts. That was a cool feature. They had some other cool features that you go in there and do. A lot of card games was in there, spades games that I used to go in and play some spades. A lot of people just go in there and go bingo, and they had a lot of communities. And I was with a group today, was talking about it, and they had some really deep feelings about Horizon Worlds being shut down because they have communities there. They meet up there with people that don't want to go nowhere else. They've been building worlds inside of Horizon Worlds, spending money, all this stuff for Horizon Worlds just to have it shut down. Switching to mobile don't work for a lot of people. It was made for VR first. And mobile was just an additive. Now they saying they're making more money in mobile. I don't know. But what I'm saying is, Meta, you got to look at the side of other people, the communities that you guys are shutting down. A lot of people don't like it. They're saying a lot of kids are in there squeaking or whatever. VR is for everyone. If you don't want to deal with the kids, then don't deal with the kids. Don't go in that section or don't go in at all. What I learned about people in general is everybody likes something different. Some people go in VR, all they do is work. They work in their VR headsets and they take it off. That's all they want to do. Some people just want a game. Now, Meta, you made this big world of all these things to do and you shutting it down. Now, I understand a lot of people saying, hey, when you jump in, you see the feed and all that. Okay, get rid of the feed. And if you want to do this new navigator, as soon as you come in, it's your library. That's perfect. I love that. Don't shove nothing else in our face, but let us be able to go. Leave a portal to Horizon Worlds so people can still go there. Don't kill Horizon Worlds altogether. You have communities that still love Horizon World and don't want to go to VR chat and all these other places. They want to go to the thing that they've been building for a couple of years now, that you guys funded people to do all these worlds, and now you're just shutting it down. I don't think that's right personally. You already shut down Horizon Workrooms, fine. We switched to another format, which is Fluid, which is pretty nice. Everybody's starting to love that too. But Horizon Worlds is something totally different that people went to meet, to catch up, hang out with friends, go to different clubs or meetups or whatever. Y'all made this whole new engine just for Horizon Worlds. Just a couple of months ago, y'all was talking about how great this engine is for Horizon Worlds, how quick it is to get inside. And it is, to now just a couple of months later saying, hey, we killing that. This is the first time when I heard this is the first time saying like, okay, I don't know the direction they're going. Y'all just came out with another update with the keyboard and the mouse, which works fantastic for computing, but is that gonna last? Is the Quest 3 is gonna last? I know y'all coming out with new headsets, and I'm all aboard on that, but what is it going to be? Everybody got a lot of questions, and there's no answers coming from Meta. Everything is just, we're shutting down this, we're shutting down that, we're shutting down this, but we're all in with VR. That don't make sense. If y'all want to have to deal with Horizon Worlds, shove it in people's face, don't do it, but don't kill it neither. I just wanted to come on and have a real conversation with you guys to say, what do you guys think? Put it in the comments, because what they're doing and why they're doing it, nobody really knows. I just want to say, Meta, we are here. You have a lot of communities that's in Horizon Worlds that's feeling really bad that it's being shut down. I see the faces and I hear the concerns on this side. Maybe you don't see it there, but I see it on this side. So I just wanted to say that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on another video. Peace.